Getting COVID once can be a frightening experience, but what about getting it twice? KLBK's Brenda Lepenski spoke to a doctor and two families who say that they have had that twice. Brenda, now these are some strong families. How are they doing now?
Well, the families I spoke to say they didn't expect to get COVID, much less get it twice. Now, they are better, but they're still not 100% on how they used to be, urging people who haven't gotten the virus and those who have to still take it seriously. January De Leon is disinfecting her salon. She takes COVID seriously after getting the virus not once, but twice. Once in July and the other in October.
I cried. I mean, when they first told me I was positive, and I'm a pretty strong person, but I cried because I was worried. You know, my mom lives with me.
De Leon says the first time she got sick, she felt fine, but the second time was different.
The second time was horrible, horrible, so bad. It was so bad. I was kind of worried I wasn't going to make it through it.
Dr. Samir Islam with Lubbock County Medical Society says it's hard to tell how people will react to the virus a second time.
Each individual is different depending on their health, their medical condition, and what other comorbid factors that they may have that may make them more sicker than not.
For the Johnsons, COVID-19 hit their house twice, starting with Destiny Johnson's daughter.
The main symptoms in her were a really dry cough that only lasted probably about 2 days.
She says her mother and husband later tested positive a second time.
It all hit us pretty bad. Loss of sense of taste and smell, coughing, congestion, runny nose, headaches.
Dr. Islam reminds people to keep wearing masks and social distance when possible.
So there is light at the end of the tunnel with the COVID vaccine coming out. We are seeing really a small shift in the risk of patients getting COVID-19. And I anticipate, as do a lot of healthcare professionals, that we are hitting the end of the road. So we are very excited that we're getting close to the pandemic. But having said that, we still have to be vigilant until the very end.
Well said. Now, the families said they've been doing the most they can to minimize their interactions. Dr. Islam and the families urge people to keep taking precautions. Terry?
All right, thanks so much, Brenda.